Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow dough. First, gather your ingredients: marshmallows, powdered sugar, and a little water or lemon juice. You'll need a microwave-safe bowl and a sturdy spoon. This simple recipe creates a versatile dough perfect for decorating. It's much easier than you might think, and the results are always impressive. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something amazing. To begin, measure out 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. Place them in a microwave-safe bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of water or lemon juice. This helps with melting and adds a subtle flavor. Microwave the marshmallows in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval until they are fully melted and smooth. Be careful not to overheat them, as this can make them tough. Now it's time to mix in the powdered sugar. Gradually add about 2 cups of powdered sugar to the melted marshmallow mixture, stirring until it becomes too stiff to mix with a spoon. Lightly grease your hands with shortening to prevent sticking. Turn the mixture out onto a surface dusted with powdered sugar and knead it like bread dough until it's smooth, pliable, and no longer sticky. Once your marshmallow dough is ready, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, ensuring no air can get in, then place it in the refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next creative project. This versatile dough is perfect for decorating cakes, cupcakes, or even cookies. Before you go, remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.